To do a magic circle, take your yarn across your hand, like so, with the tail facing you. Wrap the yarn around 2 fingers, like so, and then simply insert your hook underneath and then grab the working yarn with your hook. From here, you can just pinch with your right hand, completely let go of that tail, and then you're going to grab the working yarn. And from here, just chain 1 to start, because we're going to be doing half double crochets. And then all you're going to do is work into that circle, working around the tail as well as the circular portion. So I'm just going to half double crochet, so yarn over, insert to the center of circle around the tail and the circle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. So I've just completed my first half double crochet. I'm going to go ahead and do 5 more. So again, working into the circle, working around the tail as well as the circle. Okay, so I've completed 6 half double crochets. Then all you're going to do is take that tail that you were working around and pull it, and that's just going to cinch that circle completely closed. And then from here you can continue on. Generally you'll slip stitch to join into the very first stitch that you made, and then you'll continue from there. So what the magic circle does is just allows you to cinch up and create a completely closed center. So this is useful for doing hats. So the crown of a hat to begin, so you don't have a big empty hole in the center of your hat.